Hello boys and girls, and welcome to our ALD time. So today we are going to be doing some more of our spelling word drawing. So we're going to need a pencil and some paper. So go ahead and pause, and then when you get back we'll get started. Alright, so first things first, we have to fold our paper up just like we've done before. We're going to take this side, our right side, fold it over to touch our left edge, get it as close as we can, doesn't have to be perfect. And with this finger, run it out like this, and then drag it along the new edge that you're creating. There we go. Next up, we are going to fold it down and do the same thing here. There we go. Now, we have our 4 rectangles, right? 4 rectangles there. Alright, so let's start off with, well, first an explanation. So some of these words, or all these words, are review words. So you've seen them before, and we've drawn some of them. And so some of these pictures might look similar to ones that we've done before. That's alright. And we're just going to have fun with it, okay? First off is fin. And fin is F-I-N. Fin. Now, I'm going to draw a fin in the water, like you would see a shark or maybe even a dolphin when they're swimming sometimes in the ocean, and you could see their fin that's on their back up over the water, or coming out of the water. So we're going to do that. First, we have to draw the water. How I like to draw water is to show waves. It's just to have like a kind of like a smiley face, and then just keep repeating it. Just make sure that they connect. Now it looks like there's waves. Next up is the fin. So we're going to draw a curved line coming out. And then we're going to kind of curve it back down. There's our fin. Okay. Next up we are going to draw miss. And the last time we drew miss, we had a baseball player. We're going to do it again because it's playoff time. So miss is M-I-S-S. Now the difference is the last time we drew a baseball player swinging and missing. This time we're going to have a baseball player missing a fly ball. So let's draw our world famous stick figure, starting with the head. And then draw a line down for the body. And we draw our equally famous shoes. And we're going to draw a line out, and we have to have a glove, a baseball glove, and we're not going to draw it in a lot of detail. So I'm just going to draw kind of a misshapen rectangle. So we'll draw it like this, and we're going to draw a little curve here, a line, and then there. So that is our baseball glove. Now we're going to show him, or the stick figure player, missing the ball, and I'm going to use action line to do it. So I'm going to have an action line coming down showing the ball hit the ground here and bounce. So we'll draw from outside coming down and bounce. Next we'll draw the actual baseball right here. So we see the ball's coming down bouncing and they've missed the ball. Okay? Alright, let's draw down here. Let's do sit. And sit is S-I-T, sit. And the last time we drew, we had sat, and we had a picture of what happened when somebody sat on a hat. But we're going to show the proper way to sit this time. So I'm going to put like a seat or a box over here. So let's put a line out this way, and then down, like that. And we have to have somebody who's going to sit there. So let's draw the head of our world famous stick figure. And the body's going to be going diagonally. And remember, if I'm ever going too fast, please pause this and catch up. Now we're going to draw another line, diagonal. And then finally one going straight down to our world famous shoes. Now, we want to make sure that everybody knows that this person is sitting down, not standing, because our word is sit. So let's draw an arrow pointing down. So line like this, little tiny line here, and one on the other side. There's our arrow pointing down. All right. Next up is a flag, and flag is F L A G. There's F-L-A-G, flag. This time we're going to draw it on a flag pole. All right, like out in front of the school, that big tall pole. So let's draw a line coming up like this. And at the top of the flagpole, a lot of times there's something that almost looks like a ball, right? So we're going to draw a ball. And then draw another line coming all the way back down. This is our flag pole. Now the flag itself is a rectangle, so that we're going to start up here, not all the way at the top. Draw out like that, and then we're going to draw a line down. And then we're going to draw a line going all the way back to the pole. Now inside our flag, we have a smaller rectangle, so let's draw that. So we'll start about here, maybe halfway, maybe not quite. And then draw a line going up to the top. There we go. Next up, we have our stripes. So let's start drawing our stripes. So we're going to start right here from this little rectangle and just go draw out. And out again. And then we're going to start drawing from all the way on this side. Just a line from one side to the other. Okay. And now I'm going to add a star, and you can add as many as you want. So a star, we start off with a diagonal line. And then we draw another diagonal line kind of going out this way. And then we're going to draw going straight across. And then come back down through. I know it's kind of tough to see because it's small. And then from this little point, go all the way back up to the top where you started. And then you have a star. And you can practice as many times as you want on there. Okay, let's do our final one, and our final one of the day is plum. Plum, and this one is going to look very similar to our last one, but that's alright. Here's plum, P-L-U-M, and draw the plum. We're going to start off with almost a C. So we kind of wrap around like this, something like that. And then we can start off up here, and we're going to draw a circle around and meet at that point. Let's meet it. There we go, we got it. Now up at the top, we'll draw just a little stem. And I want to show that this plum has just been picked, so let's put a leaf on here. And a leaf, we're going to draw a curved line like this coming from the stem. And then we have to do the other side also. And then the leaf has a little line, and it goes right through it. And that is plum. So we have plum, P-L-U-M. We have flag, F-L-A-G. We have sit, S-I-T. We have fin, F-I-N. And we have miss, M-I-S-S. I hope you have fun with this. Feel free to add as many colors as you want, as many stars as you want to the flag. Have fun with it, and we will see you very soon. Bye-bye.